We see stars. We see galaxies. We see the curved fabric of space-time. But all of this is just a tiny island in an infinite void. Our universe. What lies beyond it? Not other galaxies, beyond that. Past the edge of everything that has glowed, expanded, and been born since the Big Bang. Today, not just reflections. This is an instruction manual for the most daring journey imaginable. How can one physically exit our universe? And what awaits us there? Let's go. The starting problem: we're too late. Our universe isn't just big, it's expanding, and at a rate that exceeds the speed of light over cosmological distances. It doesn't break Einstein's laws, by the way. Space itself is stretching. Most galaxies are already lost to us forever. Their light will never reach us. We are trapped inside the Hubble sphere, a bubble of the observable world. And this bubble is shrinking. But if we can't even reach the edge of the observable universe, how can we talk about leaving it entirely? There are loopholes, and they are crazier than any science fiction. The classic method is to find or create a hole, not a black one. It leads to nowhere, or rather, to a singularity. We need a wormhole, a mathematical solution to Einstein's equations, a tunnel providing a shortcut between 2 points in space. Theoretically, if we introduce exotic matter with negative energy into the equation, and yes, we've produced minuscule amounts of it in labs, stabilize the throat, voila, a traversable wormhole. But for it to lead beyond our universe, its entrance must be here, and its exit must be stitched to something completely different, to another space-time, to the multiverse. The problem is, we have no idea how to do that. But if we assume such tunnels formed in the first instance after the Big Bang, when the quantum foam was bubbling, they could be all around us, the size of an elementary particle. All we need to do is stretch one to human scale. Easy, right? Now for a soul-chilling yet plausible scenario from physicists. To go beyond, we might have to wait for the end of everything. In the heat death scenario, trillions of years from now, black holes will evaporate, protons will decay, space will become almost perfectly empty and cold, and in this quantum void, spontaneous quantum tunneling could occur. Our local region of space could essentially jump into a new quantum state, randomly. A new bubble would be born, a seed of another universe with different physical laws. This wouldn't be a journey, but a rebirth of reality itself around us. We, of course, won't witness it, but the fact remains. The very fabric of the vacuum could be our vessel to the other side. The most advanced theories, string theory, eternal inflation, say our universe is just one bubble in a frothing foam of other universes, an infinite fractal of realities. Then the question how to exit changes to how to move to a neighboring bubble. Perhaps this doesn't require speed, but a change in internal parameters. Imagine our world is defined by about 20 fundamental constants: speed of light, gravity. Turn these dials, and you'd find yourself in a world with different laws. Somewhere, you might turn the dials only by destroying our universe and creating a new one in a particle collider. A chilling thought. Elsewhere, by passing through a region of space with distorted laws. This multiverse landscape is precisely the beyond. We simply lack the ability to perceive it. So, here's our checklist for emigrating from reality. Find a natural wormhole and hope it leads there. Create our own using negative energy and insane technology. Wait trillions of years and hope for a quantum leap. Realize we are already part of something greater and learn to navigate the multiverse landscape. Which option seems most plausible to you? Or maybe you know another way. Write in the comments. Let's compile this instruction manual together. If you want to dive deeper into string theory, click the video on the right. Hit the like button if you want more journeys to the edge of science and fiction. See you in the next universe.